How to fix AOL for Mac not uninstalling. To uninstall AOL from your Mac, you can use the following script, #bin/bash #stop AOL if it's currently running, if grep AOL/dev/null, then echo stopping AOL osascript equip app AOL fi #remove AOL application and related files echo removing AOL sudo rmrf/application/AOL /library/application/com.aol.desktop/rmrf/library/caches/com.aol.desktop/application/save/com.aol.desktop.plist rmrf/library/save /com.aol.desktop.savedState/ echo AOL has been uninstalled. Here's what the script does. 1. It checks if AOL is currently running and stops it if it is. 2. It removes the AOL application from the applications folder. 3. It removes the AOL related files from the user's library folder. 4. It displays a message confirming that AOL has been uninstalled. To use this script, you can save it to a file with a .sh extension, e.g. uninstall_aol.sh, and make it executable by running the following command in terminal, mod +x uninstall_aol.sh. Then, you can run the script by entering its file name in terminal, /uninstall_aol.sh. Note that you'll need to enter your admin password when prompted, as the script uses sudo to remove the AOL application and related files. For starters, use the recommended Clean My Mac X in this video guide.